In Qlik Cloud, you can create notes for yourself or to share and collaborate with others. From the Qlik Cloud Analytics hub, click Add New and then create a new note. Give it a name and select a space from the drop-down menu. Optionally, add a description and tags. When done, click Create. You can also create a new note directly in the app. Open a sheet and click the Notes button. Select a space from the drop-down and click Create New Note. The visibility of the note to other users depends on the space in which the note is created. Use snapshots to capture an image of a visualization at a certain point in time, and with various selections applied. Once you have created the note, you can add text to it, and use the text formatting features to format the text. You can also create a new note from a snapshot. In Sheet View, right-click a chart and select Notes, then click Create Note with Snapshot. The snapshot is automatically added to the new note. Expand the Notes tab to display a list of all notes created in the selected space, either your personal space or the space in which your app is located. Click Find Notes related to this chart to see all the notes that contain snapshots of the selected chart. These notes will be shown in the category Notes related to this chart. In a shared or managed space, you can mention other space members. Any member of the space who has been given access to the note will be notified of the mention. When you mention a user, you might also be prompted to change their access to the note. If the user does not have access to the note, you can select Make Viewer or Make Editor in the Mention Tip notification. Click the Insert Mentions button to view a list of all the users previously mentioned in the note. By default, notes that you create in a shared or managed space can only be viewed by you. To share a note, click the Share button. Under Users, start typing the name of the user you want to give access to. Click the correct user and choose Can View or Can Edit from the drop-down. If the user already has one of the listed permission levels on the note, you can also change the access to another option here. From this menu, you can also add other space members to the note. In the Share window, you can also manage the permissions of each user with access to the note, switching the access level and removing access as needed. If you remove a user access to the note by switching them to no access permission level, they will not appear in this menu when it is opened again, unless their name is searched. You can convert a note into a public note. When a note is made public, other space members will have the specified permission on the note. Click the Share button and expand the drop-down for the global access level setting for the space. By default, this drop-down will have the No Access option selected. Select Can View to allow all space members to view the note. Select Can Edit to allow all space members to view and edit the note. When done, click Confirm. The access level defined by the public sharing configuration of the note overrides any individual access levels that are set in the Manage dialog. To share a note in a shared space with another individual space member, the space member with whom you are sharing the note must have any of the available space roles except Can Consume Data in the space. When you create a note in a shared or managed space, you become the note owner. All the other space members except the note owner are given no access permissions on a newly created note. If the note owner would like to allow other space members to modify access controls for the note, they can provide edit access to the note for these users, making them co-authors. When a note in a shared space is made public, all space members except users with only the Can Consume Data role can open and view the note. Other members of a shared or managed space with Can Edit permissions for a note can collaborate on the note. Space members are notified when they are given edit permissions. You can also mention users, so they will be notified in the Qlik Sense navigation bar. The space member can now respond in the note. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.